Peach and poach. Peach. Peach can refer to a round, juicy fruit with a fuzzy skin that is typically yellow or pink. It is sweet and often eaten fresh or used in recipes for desserts, jams, and beverages. Examples: she bit into a ripe peach, savoring its juicy sweetness. The peach pie she baked was a hit at the family gathering. Poach. Poach can mean to cook something gently in a simmering liquid, often used in the context of preparing eggs in water. It can also refer to the illegal hunting or fishing of game or fish on someone else's property. Examples: she decided to poach the eggs for breakfast, cooking them until the yolks were still runny. Poaching endangered animals for their valuable parts is a serious crime. Differences. Meaning. The primary difference between peach and poach lies in their meanings. Peach refers to a fruit, while poach has culinary and legal connotations. Usage. Peach is commonly used in recipes, describing the fruit itself, or as a color descriptor. On the other hand, poach is used in cooking methods or illegal hunting contexts. Pronunciation. While the spelling is different, it's important to note that peach and poach are pronounced differently, with peach having a long ee sound and poach having an o sound. In conclusion, although peach and poach sound somewhat similar, their meanings and usage are quite distinct. Understanding the context in which each word is used is important for clear communication.